Top 10 phone repair in Rochester. 1. One Stop Tech Shop, 5, 163 reviews, Center Street. 2. The Phone Plug, 5, 50 reviews, Hudson Avenue. 3. iFixandRepair, Henrietta Walmart, 4.9, 576 reviews, Marketplace DR. 4. iRepair XPERT, 4.9, 426 reviews, Grease Ridge Center DR. 5. Blackwire Solutions Incorporated, 4.9, 240 reviews, Tremont St. Door No. 3 Suite 222. 6. Crossroads IT LLC, 4.9, 187 reviews, Exchange Boulevard No. 1010. 7. Druk Cell Phone Care, 4.9, 111 reviews, West Henrietta Road. 8. Verizon, 4.8, 1652 reviews, University Avenue Ave Ste A. 9. CellCashr, Sell Electronics for Cash, 4.8, 402 reviews, Crittenden Road. 10. Druk Cell Phone Fix, 4.7, 199 reviews, State Street.